Happy Wednesday.
We're already halfway through the week, Bryan.
Happy Wednesday.
We're already halfway through the week, Bryan. Oh my God, why is this so hard?
Happy Wednesday.
We're already halfway through the week.
You said it so aggressively.
Bryan.
Next Monday, Fort County Career Center will hold a virtual open house from 5 p.m. until 7:30 p.m. The open house will feature all the information on your screen that you see here. Go to fortcounty.net and click on the link. Do not forget, your application is due February 1st.
Bryan 8th grade girls lost to Antwerp last night. The final score was 31-26. McKenzie Mason had 13 points, Macy Burton had 7, and Caitlin Dewitt had 6. The Golden Bears are now 4 for 4 on the season.
7th grade boys basketball fell to Patrick Henry 61-12. 8th grade boys lost 46-6. Scoring 2 each were Masen Welling, Parker Lanham, and Landon Bassett.
The girls bowling team hosted Defiance last night and lost by just under 100 pins.
The girls varsity basketball team fell to the top-ranked Napoleon 47-43 last night. Reese Grothaus had 12 points. The girls will take on Wauseon Thursday for their first league matchup.
Only you can make...
You usually do.
Oh yeah, that's right, I always point. Only you can make it a great day, Bryan. What?
Sorry.
Only you can make it a great day, Bryan. Oh my goodness. Only you can make it a great day, Bryan.